evening, everybody. Bobby, 2 Pops breaks on a Saturday, March 20th. Breaking Bob box, full size helmet. It's a 1-box break. We randomed up our 20 remaining box numbers out of the initial 44. We got box number 33, if my damn camera would focus there. We did random teams for it. On the left, teams, customers, been randomized, alphabetized. We gave you all the chance to trade. Had a bunch of offers, but nothing went down there for us. Just gonna double check my chats. He said he's keeping Seattle. Yep, he said he's keeping Seattle. Yep, so nothing went down there, folks. So that is gonna wrap up the trading there, guys. Here we go. Well, darn it. Oh, I'm sorry, bud. Bam! Gonna start off the night with a solid hit, guys. Not a monster, but a solid hit. That is going to be the Chase Claypool, folks. On the other hand, I don't like this. It's got a little bit of a skip in the SIG. The SIG's not damaged. That was just a little skip when he was signing. But Beckett, card and sticker on it. There's your card. But gonna be the regular Pittsburgh slot, everybody, on the Chase Claypool. I'm very sorry, Jason. Well, that's gonna be LGS. He had both pit spots on that. Bam, he turned his cash box into a Chase Claypool, guys, so. Alright, so that's going to wrap up the opening portion. We're going to do our qualifiers. Keeps are 19, folks. Keeps are 19. And we're due for a bunch of big hits, guys. You really don't have a lot of filler stuff left there. That is LGS. I didn't even notice he had both pit spots there. Alright, Adam, thank you. Alright, let me switch my camera. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Well, I got Gotham and Kyle are gonna be our qualifiers on there. Qualifiers 49 and 50. We got 19 boxes left in our series, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, and Facebook. Y'all have a good one.